guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nadia and I'm interior decorator. This video will be dedicated to the art of Feng Shui, and particularly we'll see a few correction methods for clearing the Qi energy of the house. So if this topic is of your interest, then keep on watching. Now, as we saw in details from the previous videos, and if you didn't see them, I will let the links in the info box below. Each part of our house is responsible for a particular sector of our life, in total 8. Moreover, we focused on how we can potentiate each of the sectors and which will be the most appropriate rooms to allocate in different parts of the house. Nevertheless, we didn't talk about bathrooms, showers, and also saunas that are very often encountered in our modern lives. It's part of the house, and Feng Shui is looking with particular regards to these areas because ancient beliefs say that it may flush away the Qi energy of the house. Therefore, we must pay very much attention to where it is located and how it looks. For this reason, the bathrooms are not recommended to be allocated in the center of the house. Moreover, in many houses constructed following the Feng Shui rules, these zones are placed usually at the end of a corridor in the north side of the house, leaving the south to the allocation of the living room or the bedroom. This is, of course, a prejudice, taking its roots from ancient times when there were no toilets in the house. However, rich people were curated by many servants who were cleaning and taking out regularly, keeping the Feng Shui of the house clean. However, thanks to the evolution of the industry and the technology, we have managed to organize these areas at a larger scale, accessible to everyone, keep it clean and fresh. But is that enough? Because according to the Feng Shui point of view, it is also necessary to clean out the Qi energy, eliminating the negativeness. Well, it is not easy to find the right place for the bathroom and the toilet, since it will get anyway in one of the sectors of the house, so of the life. Nevertheless, and at any cost, try to avoid placing in the center of the house, which is considered to be the heart of the home and also the spiritual center of the family. Ideally, in the center of the house must not be placed at any cost bathrooms, staircases, elevator, fireplace, and the kitchen. But what can we do if we cannot correct the allocation? How can we correct the flow of the energy if we have one of the above situations? Well, different masters of Feng Shui suggest different techniques in order to correct it. So here are the most common ones, the most applied ones. First of all, you could make the door invisible by positioning a swing door with invisible built-in handle, or paint the door in the same color of the wall so it will mimic with the rest of the ambient. Positioning a strong lighting above the entrance door to the bathroom will help to neutralize the negative passive energy. A powerful warm light bringing yang energy brings strong positive vibrations. Another way to neutralize the bathroom presence will be positioning the door to the bathroom in a mirror finishing to reflect the surroundings and visually make it disappear. Or you could hang on the door a mirror. It will have the same energetic effect, although aesthetically the first option will be more pleasing, especially for modern interiors. The master in Feng Shui, Lilian Tu, author of several works in this domain, suggests correcting the energy with the help of the 5 sticks representing the 5 elements. At the same time, the number 5 is in the center of the Lo Shu quadrant, corresponding to the center of the house, but also it brings together, it unifies the energy of all 8 directions. Further, to correct the energy of a bathroom, depending on what direction it is located, on what part of the house it is located, we can use the destructive cycle of the 5 elements. Earth stops water, so to correct the energy of a bathroom that is positioned in the north side of the house, therefore governed by the element of the water, we shall position here 5 sticks made of ceramics. or another material representing earth. Metal damages wood. Therefore, in a bathroom that is positioned on the east or southeast side of the house, put here 5 metal sticks. Water extinguishes fire. Therefore, in a toilet allocated in the south part of the house, position here 5 sticks made of glass. Fire damages metal. Therefore, in the west side or northwest side of the house, here should be positioned 5 red sticks representing fire. Wood consumes earth. Therefore, in the southwest and the northeast part of the house, allocate 5 wood sticks. Moreover, taking into consideration the theory of Lilium 2 and the destructive cycle of the elements, you can expand the symbols representing these 5 elements by choosing something different. For example, a red pyramid representing the fire element, or a plant pot to represent the wood element, etc. And remember that in Feng Shui, yin and yang are conveyable, therefore are not fixed concepts. In other words, an object is a yin or a yang depending on the context of the environment. Looking at 2 alongside objects, the one that emanates more energy will be a yang, while the one with more susceptible energy will be a yin. Taking the same room, if we shall paint the walls in a deep color, hold low temperature and walk in rarely, the energy of this room will be a yin. And on the contrary, paint the room in a vivid color, warm it up, fill with plants, domestic animals, people, the energy of this room will become a yang. Everything that surrounds us, all the objects in our house, depending on the color, the shape and material, beholds several elements at the same time. Feng Shui teaches how to balance yin and yang, use the 5 elements and also the 8 cardinal directions to obtain the perfect balance in your house and therefore in your life. That was all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos dedicated to Feng Shui that I am very fond of learning and I want to share it on my channel, subscribe to my channel and we shall see each other on my next videos. In the meantime, stay safe, stay well, and we shall see each other soon. Ciao! Mwah!